Chemet's METCOM metal composite inductors are available in several series that cater to consumer, automotive, and other applications. Here we will introduce the MPX series for consumer applications. The METCOM metal composite inductors have three main features. The first feature is a combination of compact design with high performance. Compared with the conventional ferrite assembled type conductors, there is no gap in the internal structure. This enables high-density design, low DC resistance, and reduced noise. The second feature is low magnetic flux leakage. This is another advantage offered by a composite-type structure with no gap, which minimizes magnetic flux leakage. This reduces the effect on nearby semiconductors and inductors. The third feature is excellent current characteristics. This graph compares the current characteristics of ferrite and metal composite inductor types. The metal composite type uses a metallic magnetic material with high saturation magnetic flux density and good temperature characteristics, enabling it to be used in high current circuits. Changes in inductance are small even at high temperatures, enabling stable use in a wide range of environments. The MPX series for consumer applications is available in sizes from 5 mm squared to 22 mm squared, and in product heights from 1.8 mm to 13 mm. The series has a total of 201 models, covering a wide range of size variations. The series also offers a wide selection of electrical characteristics. The inductance value is 0.1 microhenries to 100 microhenries. The rated current value ranges from 2 amperes to 90 amperes. With its wide operating temperature range from -55 degrees Celsius to 155 degrees Celsius, the lineup can meet a variety of needs. The current trend in mobile devices, such as notebook PCs, is toward thinner and lighter designs. In servers and storage, there is a high demand for low power consumption and a trend toward higher efficiency in power supply circuits. In addition, devices are being developed to offer higher performance and increased multifunctionality, which is accelerating the design shift toward high current circuits. This is likely to further increase demand for METCOM in the future, with its extensive lineup of products that are compatible with high currents. Chemet's METCOM metal composite inductors are designed to meet the diverse design needs of our customers. Further details about the METCOM MPX series are available on the Chemet website.